Alright, so today we're gonna play Crazed Bird, okay? Another guy help me. We got Flappy Cat. We got Flappy Cat. Alright, let's take that, okay? Put these two stuff out. Alright, we got a Crazed Bird. He's just a bird, guys. I will win, okay? Alright, a bird. Okay, he show off every single day. Okay, guys, I'm just trying to get 30 cat food and 1 leadership because I already have Crazed Bird. He's just a flying guy. Okay, look at this Crazed Bird. We got a Gato Amigo. Okay, I'm gonna attack Crazed Bird. Okay, look at the Crazed Bird. Look, he's very strong. But then after we use this mighty lurkout, it will go good, okay? We just need for another reindeer to come so that mighty lurkout can kill the reindeer and get a little bit of cash. Oh my! Oh, Sans okay. Okay, the reindeer is here. So the Crazed Bird is right there. We got the reindeer. Okay, come on, get the reindeer, okay? Just gonna this one here. Kill the reindeer, okay? Then we can get a little bit more cash and then use cats, okay? Use other cats. Oh, yeah, Dr. Cat. Okay, Dr. Cat push back the bird boy. Okay. And then after we slap the reindeer, we can finally have some cash. Okay, we'll use the fishman to slow the bird. Okay, I got the talent for the boy. Okay, now we need to fire him out. Okay, it's just Crazed Bird, so it's no match. Okay, no match for this guy. I'm sending this to YouTube, okay? Mighty Lurkout, you are doing really good, okay? Continue this work. Okay, Dr. Cat, you are helping. Sanzo Cat, you are slowing. Yes, Dr. Cat, he's doing work. Okay, Dr. Cat is doing work. Okay, we need Mighty Lurkout to. Okay, we need Mighty Lurkout to kill the reindeer again. We got another reindeer on the work. The reindeer's on work. Okay. What? Okay. So we're gonna send Gatos and erasers. Okay. Gatos and erasers. Okay. Gatos, erasers. Come on, fire the reindeers and the birds. Okay. Gato Amigos. Okay. Gato Amigos, erasers. We can get another gal. Let this reindeer destroy, and then I'll get another Uber. Oh no! We got the board guy. Okay, this is gonna be harder. Okay, it's gonna be good. Okay, we need Gatos and erasers. Okay. Gatos and erasers. Okay, now we use the other cats. Okay, we need Sanzo to destroy the reindeer. Come on, it's good. Okay, we need Sanzo's. Okay, guys. Mighty Lurkout. He's attacking. Okay, he quit reindeers. He quit a bunch of reindeers right now. He quit the balloon. Okay, we got Sanzo Cat. Okay, get these people. Okay, yeah, right there. Okay, the boar is gone. Now we got this reindeer, and then yeah, the reindeer's gone, and now we got this bird. Okay, and then we just won the level. Okay, okay, we're gonna get some cat food and all that stuff. Okay, we're gonna get 30 cat food, 1 leadership.
So if I got 30 cat food, then I can get 1 leadership extra. Maybe I can attack more people. Okay. Right? I can do this. Okay, because I haven't beat this one in Catamins yet. So if I use 30 cat food and get 30 cat food and extra 1 leadership, I think this should be like worth it, okay? But if I lose this, then I am crappy, okay? We should see. Okay, we got a see.
Okay, crazy cats, insane. Okay. Got Cappy. Okay.
What do you mean? I said Cappy. He's an enemy, okay?
Okay.
Crazy cats, insane.
Okay. This one's Crazed toy team. Yeah. Okay, we got a bunch of squirrels. I mean, it's only 3 squirrels. I guess we can win, okay?
Gatto's erasers. Wait, this is Gatto's eraser trick is not helping. Okay, we should go. Okay, Gatto eraser trick. Okay, guys, Gatto's erasers. Okay, this is not well. This is not well, guys. It's just not well. Seafarer do damage. Okay, we got mighty wolf now. Okay, then I'll push back the other hits. Okay, get Billy Bastro and then a Seafarer cat. Okay. Alright. Okay. Climbing. Okay. Climbing, come. Climbing, come. Okay. Alright. Alright. We got these people. Okay. We got crazy cats. Okay. Black gold. Okay. Awaken Bahamut. Us guys again. And then after we get let's get Catman. Okay. And after that okay. After I beat the first team in the other room. Okay. After. Okay, this is when the boy, or the happy guy, is the pickaxe hit. Okay, his hit looks like a pickaxe. You got Crazed fighting. It's just Crazed fighting, like what could go wrong? Okay, it's just Crazed fighting. Okay, this is no use because this is just Crazed fighting. Okay, and someone is freezing Bahamut. Okay, Bahamut is gone. His wings too. His wings are gone too. Okay. Wait, is this fighting? Yeah, this Crazed fighting. Okay. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Keep cycle. Okay. Crazed fighting has a tattoo. Okay. Crazed fighting has a tattoo. Okay. That's easy win. Okay. I can win this guy. Okay. No use. Okay. Okay. No, Crazed fighting. Okay. I'm not scared of you. You are nothing. Okay. I can still win you. This boy is easy. Okay. I know this. Okay. Okay. I can just meat it. Okay. You know you got meat it. Crazed fighting makes it everything. Alright, we got gory. Oh. Okay, so I do this. Okay. No, use more, okay? Okay, we did the wave again. We need the other people, okay? He's getting gal, okay? Got another gal. Okay? I got Mighty Lord Gal, but then we got another Mighty Lord Gal, so I just used the Mighty Lord Gal, so now we got 2 Mighty Lord Gal. Okay? Okay, I just see Mighty Lord Gal 4 times. Maybe I just did. Okay. Okay. The Crazed Titan. You are muscular, but we don't care. Okay? Okay? got awakened Bahamut again. And luckily awakened Bahamut. Luckily awakened Bahamut didn't get the wave. So this is okay, I think. We won the muscular boy. So now we just attack, okay? We won the muscular boy. So what could go wrong? Okay. Okay. We won the level. Okay. So we actually won leadership. Let's see if we got more stuff. Okay. Let's check our cadmins. Okay, see. I didn't. Yeah. We got all these stuff, okay. Guys, this is the end of our video. See you guys in the next video.
No.